In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily move strips up and down in the Wix editor. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, learning how to adjust the placement of your strips is a key skill for creating a clean, professional, and visually appealing website. Strips are the building blocks of your Wix site, and being able to rearrange them quickly can make a huge difference in how your content flows. So grab your computer, log into your Wix account, and let's get started. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Wix account and open the Wix editor for the specific website you want to edit. It's important to make sure you're working on the right site, especially if you have multiple projects under your account. Once you're in the editor, your website layout will load and you'll see all the strips, sections, and elements that make up your page. Next, locate the strip that you want to move. This is as simple as clicking directly on it. When you do this, the strip will highlight and a control menu will appear nearby. Take a moment to double check that you've selected the correct strip by looking at its content or layout. This step is especially helpful if your page has multiple strips that look similar. You don't want to accidentally move the wrong one. Once you're sure you've selected the right strip, look for the control menu that popped up when you clicked on it. This toolbar is where all the magic happens. On the control menu, you'll notice some directional arrows. These arrows are what you'll use to move the strip up or down. Take a second to familiarize yourself with their position so you can move quickly through the next steps. Now, if you want to move the strip up on the page, click the upward arrow. You'll see that the strip has shifted one position higher within your layout. On the other hand, if you need to move the strip down, simply click the downward arrow. The strip will drop one position lower on the page. It's that straightforward. If you're adjusting multiple strips or trying to get the layout just right, you may find yourself clicking the arrows several times. That's completely fine. Feel free to repeat this process as many times as necessary until the strip is in the perfect position. This flexibility allows you to experiment and fine-tune the order of your content without any hassle. After you've moved the strip to its desired location, take a moment to verify the new arrangement. Scroll through your page and make sure everything looks balanced and flows the way you want. This is a good time to double-check spacing and alignment, as moving strips can sometimes nudge other elements slightly. Finally, once you're happy with the adjustments, don't forget to save your changes. In the Wix editor, there's a Save button located at the top of the screen. Click it to ensure all your hard work is preserved. It's always a good habit to save frequently when editing your website, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to move strips up and down in the Wix editor. It's a simple but powerful tool for customizing your site and ensuring your content is displayed in the most effective way possible. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.